Speed, accuracy, high yield, and superior throughput are some of the benefits of Digicom's selective soldering process. Before selective soldering begins, the board is fluxed and preheated. A personalized time-temperature profile is calculated, and true topside preheat maintains the temperature of the board throughout the process. Through-hole components are soldered efficiently with repeatable high-quality solder joints. Digicom's selective soldering system can solder any site, on any orientation, anywhere on the board.